Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions. Do you or your friends like using social media?
Yes, my mostly friends using social media.
No, listen. My most of my friends use social media and then go on.
Most of my friends use social media where they contact me, uh, like WhatsApp. If they want to need me, they can contact me through social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever they need.
All right. So listen, when they say do you or your friends, you say yes, my friends and I, we are the regular users of social media. Involve yourself and your friends as well. Let's go on. Do you think you spend a lot of time on social media?
Yes, I think I spend a lot of time social media because I have a lot of friends, and most of my friends contact me online through different apps, and I search latest news, trending news about politics and
Okay, so I
education.
think I am online 24 by 7 and I spend quite a long time using
I'm
social media. Connectivity of your ideas to the main question. The main question is
do
do you
you
think you use social media too much? Okay, do you want to work on social media as a freelancer?
Yes, I would like to uh, I would like to work on social media like Fiverr and Upwork, because I am a developer. So I would in future I will start my work in on online. Uh, li- uh, most of my friends are doing
Okay, the
different
first
apps.
thing is confidence. The second thing is fluency. The third thing is connectivity of ideas. And the fourth thing is tackling all the questions tactfully. Right? This is what you need to focus. Then you're going to be fine. And practice all these topics, right? 1
Okay.
to 200 and all that. All right, let's go on. uh, do you like snakes?
Yes, I like snacks very
I said
snakes.
snakes. Do you
Sorry,
like
sorry,
snake? I didn't say snacks.
snakes.
So, do you like snakes?
Yes, I like snakes. Yeah, I
I
like.
like cobra very much.
No,
Come on,
no,
talk about snakes. Do you like snakes? Yeah.
no. I don't like snakes because they are very dangerous.
All right. So, carry on. I don't like
No,
snakes.
I
They are
don't
very
like
dangerous.
dangerous.
Their venom is
But
poisonous.
no,
So, I don't
no,
like
no.
snakes. I'm afraid of them.
Of-
What's your favorite snack? Now, answer. My favorite snack is.
My my favorite snack is. There are many favorites. There are many snacks which I like while sitting and watching movies. Whenever I'm sitting, I like to eat Lays or even there are many things whenever I
Just
like
try
to.
to be sure. Don't say there are many things. I like to eat Lay's, which is my favorite brand in chips. On the
Yeah.
other hand, sometimes I eat cookies. Cookies,
Oh,
biscuit, right?
yes,
So talk about 2 to 3 things one by one in your answer, and don't say many things. Talk about the things first. First, you like chips, then you like biscuits, then you also like something else. Yeah, no, don't ask me what is the English of gachak. Yeah. Let's go on. When do you usually eat snacks?
I eat snacks whenever I'm watching
Whenever I watch.
whenever I watch a film at my laptop or used to watch any drama in any drama, then I prefer to eat
Then I
snacks.
prefer to eat snacks. So at that time, I always eat
Eat
snacks.
snacks.
All right. Do you prefer to buy snacks from the market or prepare them at home?
I prefer to buy snacks from market as I'm not good in
I'm
prepare.
not good at.
I'm not good at prepare making snacks at home, so I prefer to buy
Okay.
snacks at.
Why do some people eat snakes for snack? You know that? Yeah? Some people eat snakes for snack. So why do some people eat snakes for snack?
It depends upon people mood if they like to eat some snakes.
Okay. All right, so they like to eat snakes. Okay, overall fine. Just try to be sure and talk about 2 to 3 things in your answer
Yes.
and speak confidently. Okay, thank you. Good job.
Thank you.